Hello everybody, welcome to Mishtis Canvas. Believe me, some days are there that takes me straight to the childhood memories. It is Saraswati Puja in Kolkata or Bengal. So you can say Bengali festival day. Suddenly planned to cook khichuri, beguni and kulet chutney. While cooking, I will share some things, childhood memories with you. So and Bengalis can relate well what I'm saying. So what I was telling about my childhood memories, so this specific day, right from the morning we used to get ready, take shower and wear a mom's yellow color sari, and then meet at my friend's house for puja or pushpanjali. Then after that was over, we used to get ready whole family and meet at our music teacher's house. So whole day we used to have a lot of fun there, because all the students, they used to perform there both Indian classical music and as well as some light songs or music. So and the food, and especially the food was great there. The taste of this khichuri was really awesome. So remembering those days sitting in USA makes me so nostalgic today. That's why I thought to share with you all. And see how it's bubbling like that. I'm showing you. Just look at this. It's almost uh, done. So after that, I will show you another thing. See, look what I got here. So these are called kind of berries. We say cool in Bengali, and during this time only you get these things. So I don't get this fresh cool here or berries here, so I brought this. And this is the kala jeera rice or govindabhog chal with what I cooked, that khichuri. So this is what I was telling you. This is product of Bangladesh, and this is the berry. So my khichuri is almost done. I'm just adding this ghee, and this is a Bengali ghee. The color is different from the other ghee. See, so it's not coming out. I'm pulling it. Yeah, so I will mix it to serve it hot. And see, I'm just adding a little bit of mustard oil, and then we'll add some uh, mustard seeds. Let it sputter, and after that I will be adding one or two red chili. So you can see the mustard seeds are spluttering, and then I'm adding red chili. So you can skip that if you wish to. I just like the flavor of this, that's why I'm adding. But what matters, the these are dried, so the fresh one tastes really good. But we don't get the fresh the school or berries here. So just to get that flavor of today's festive mood, I thought to prepare it and sharing that recipe also, how I'm cooking it, though everybody knows, but still I thought to share. So now this, see, you can make a slit, or you can break it if it is too hard, and then you need to put it in the pan after you have given the mustard seeds and that one, and the green and the red chili, and then you have to add water. So it will boil for a few minutes. You can see a bubble is coming up, and I'm adding salt. So I'm adding sea salt. You can also add regular salt. We don't take regular salt anymore. We prefer to take sea salt. So after a few minutes you can see uh, that bubbles are there, and the water is coming up. You can see some white kind of layer, and Now you can see the white kind of layer, it's bubbling. See, now I actually forgot to add the turmeric, but you can add it before. And then after that I will add the sugar according to how much sweet you want to take. You can see I've added very less sugar. It will be just like 2 teaspoon, 2.5 teaspoon maybe, because we don't prefer to eat too much sweet. And these berries are cooler, little dry. It's not that fresh that we get in India. So that the cooler chutney that we make there, usually it becomes little smashy, but here the berries are little dry, but still we like the taste, and sometimes just to change the taste also you can prepare. So these are almost done. You can see a syrupy kind of thing, that consistency is like that, and see, it's done. So this is the kule chutney, and now I have already served on the paper plate. So this is Govindabhog chaler khichuri, this is beguni or eggplant fritter, and kule chutney or the berry chutney, whatever you say. Samrik has started eating. He's super hungry.
Samrik, তোমার ভালো লেগেছে?
হ্যাঁ।
Did you like it?
I don't.
Okay. Is it yummy? Is it tasty?
Yes.
It's hot? Okay.
And both of them are enjoying hot khichuri and beguni. Hope you like this vlog.